Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure both devices are ready. Connect your phone and iPad to the same Wi-Fi and turn Bluetooth on. Plug the phone into a Mac if you have one, because the only reliable way to mirror iPhone to iPad uses a Mac as the bridge. Once done, open QuickTime on the Mac and choose New Movie Recording, then pick your phone as the camera. If you're using a Windows PC, install a trusted mirroring app and allow screen capture permissions now. With the phone connected, you record the exact steps. In QuickTime, click the arrow next to the record button and pick your phone for camera and microphone. This displays the phone screen on the Mac. Next, use AirPlay or Sidecar to send the Mac screen to your iPad. Open Control Center on the Mac, choose Screen Mirroring, and pick your iPad. Once the Mac mirrors to the iPad, you'll see and control the phone's screen indirectly. Make sure permission dialogues on each device are accepted. Finish by confirming interaction. Start recording in QuickTime if needed, or simply use the mirrored view on the iPad for presentations. If you notice lag, reduce the Mac's display resolution or switch to a wired connection between Mac and iPad to stabilize the stream. If mirroring fails, restart the phone, Mac, and iPad, recheck Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and reauthorize screen capture permissions. Finally, make sure software is updated. Outdated OS versions often block reliable mirroring, so update and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.